Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Ar-Raafi. This special name tells us how Allah lifts us up and helps us grow. Ar-Raafi means the one who raises up. Just like how we can lift things up high, Allah raises and elevates everything in ways that are much more special and powerful. Look at how Allah makes tiny seeds grow into tall, beautiful plants. From a small seed in the ground, Allah raises it up into a big, strong plant with His amazing power. When you're learning something new, like riding a bicycle, Allah helps you get better and better. He raises your abilities and makes you stronger. Sometimes when we feel sad, Allah lifts up our spirits. He sends us people who make us smile or beautiful things that make us happy again. When we work hard and make dua to Allah, He helps us reach our goals. Whether it's doing well in school, memorizing Quran, or being kind to others, Allah raises us to success. Every time we do something good, Allah raises its value and gives us many rewards. One small good deed can grow into something huge with Allah's blessing. Remember, dear children, Allah is Ar-Raafi, the one who raises up. He helps us grow, learn, and become better every day. Trust in Allah and He will lift you to amazing heights.